Oh my god, I'm buying everything in this store. We have made it to Delaware. We are eating at a place called Crystal Restaurant this morning. It had a bunch of good reviews and it looks super duper cheap. And it had coffee. So really those are my requirements. And we're gonna be exploring Rehoboth Beach today. To be honest, I don't really know what there is here. So we're just gonna be gallivanting around and getting lost. Grab it. I love that he's left-handed. He's gonna struggle in life probably, but I'm for it.
Hey, some left-handed people have been very successful.
I don't know any.
I think I'd like to have a chance or not, but I really like to.
Car seat time. 3, 2, 1. Yay! How fun!
Do you just love the car seat?
Fun.
Oh my
Yay!
goodness gracious, the car seat's your favorite thing in the
This is
world.
best. Oh my god, look at how I sit so well for this. Camille, hi. Ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. So there's one thing with travel, one thing it's getting on an airplane with an infant, which isn't nearly as bad as people say it is. It's a whole other thing doing a road trip with an infant who hates a car seat. Because I'm ready to quit. Honestly, it really has just been such a challenge with Apollo on the road trips because he hates the car seat. He's been teething, and then also, like, I just don't think he likes it straight. I don't know if it's that it's too hot. So actually, if you're a parent of a baby who travels often in the car seat, what do I do to make my baby happy? I really need him to like this. Aww. So we're starting off this Rehoboth vlog with Daniel looking like a total dad right now. How does it feel?
Thank you. It's great. I'm ready. Did that work?
What you gotta say?
What do you have to say?
Do you have anything to say? No. Okay.
He's like, where's my binky?
We cannot miss the snack pouch, though. The snack pouch is the hidden feature.
Sorry, were you wanting a snack?
All jokes aside, we have made it to Rehoboth and it looks so cute. They have tons of shops. It reminds me of Ocean City without a boardwalk and on a street, you know, just like tons of little shops. Actually, if you guys watched our St. Augustine, St. George Street vlog, it's very, very similar, except, I don't know, a little bit less old. Hi, puppers. So I figured it would be really appropriate to tell you the story as we walk into a pet store. We were supposed to actually spend 2 days in Ocean City, but I'm super duper allergic to cats and I haven't had reactions. Well, yesterday, y'all, I literally couldn't breathe. So even walking into this pet store right now is giving me 100% PTSD, by the way.
Of what?
So almost suffocates me with a cat yesterday. It takes me into a pet store today.
Well, I went in by myself. You do not have to follow.
No.
True.
I'm looking for stuff for my child.
Oh,
I am also a single father of one.
I know you're not a pet, but the toys are the same, right? Is that not? Just marketed different.
Y'all, they literally have doggy donuts, doggy ice cream, doggy baked goods. This is like a pet lover / pet owner's dream store. So what did you get, Monty?
Monty got a brand new ball, and he got a crab toy because he is a Marylander after all.
I think he's gonna love his toys.
He is, and he's going to be less mad at me that I left to go to Rehoboth and Ocean City for a weekend.
The real reason he's getting treats. Bye, thank you.
Bye, thank you.
Everybody here's so nice too.
Yeah, if I don't come home with gifts, then Monty will just pee on all my stuff, so.
That sounds like a great reason to not get a dog.
It is, folks. Don't get a dog.
Okay, like this looks like my kind of store.
Wait,
We're going in.
Momster. What happens to mom after she counts to 3?
Oh my god, this is just a mom store. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm buying everything in this store.
Something about the air makes me just like immediately want to buy
This is cute.
for my mom when I walk in.
Right? Okay, this is actually where I'm getting the presents for your mom and sister. How does this look? Is this cute?
Yeah.
It's really warm. Ketchup, it absolutely needs ketchup, salt, vinegar, and a lot of help. I didn't say that though. Actually, if you guys have ever been to Ocean City or in this area in general, in the North Shore or East Shore, Northeast Shore, what is this? Eastern Shore.
Sure.
One of the shores. You would see that we did actually a food review through the Ocean City Boardwalk and we went to Thrasher's and it was not great. This is the wine glass that I need when Apollo's had a heavy teething day. Yep, 100%. This stuff is so cute. How much is this? $34. I guess it's not bad. I'm just cheap. I feel like everything in the store is totally my aesthetic. Like there's beachy, there's girly, there's inspirational quote stuff. Beautiful.
No, that's why just for that.
These things are so pretty. I don't know how to do this. Here we go. Oh, good burp. I am lost in this necklace. Here we go. Super pretty, huh?
I love it.
I do think I'm gonna take this.
Okay.
Oh, yeah!
Yay.
I came out with a necklace. I'm really happy about it because I've been looking for a necklace that looks like this for a long time. And I'm really feeling like this new trend of like the mint and the turquoise themes. And those are just colors I like anyway, so yes, win. We guys.
Do. We're doing great. We're doing great. Hiya, 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 hiya. Whoosh, 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 whoosh.
Read this mug out loud, Daniel.
Shut the up.
What did you just say to me?
No. No, I read a mug.
I know you're doing.
Doing great, how are you? Oh my god, this is so cute. Coastal Boho.
There have been so many stores and shops while we're here that I'm a little overwhelmed. Not
Honestly,
gonna lie.
but they're all so cute. It's like so beach themed. They're really like aesthetically pleasing when you come in. Like literally you just want to throw all of your money at the walls here.
Yeah, and it's having a hard time making a decision on what she actually wants to buy.
Oh, all of it. That's because he answers all of it. But who's gonna pay for it? Not you. Oh, that's awesome. Oh,
It
really?
was Daniel who said that.
You would have missed this great shop though.
We would have. The shop was great. Everybody should check it out.
I thought you said shot, not shop.
What?
No, not today. If I had to tack on alcohol to how much Benadryl I've had today, you're gonna have to literally drag me across the floor for the rest of the day.
While you're out and about shopping, the nice thing is there are quite a few spots to like grab a bite to eat, grab some snacks like Cinnabon or pretzels, or even go into a beer garden, which I'm trying to say that I earned my keep for us to go get a beer, right buddy? But I think we're gonna keep shopping. Yeah.
Apollo's loving looking around. On the very last block of Rehoboth Avenue, they have tons of the shops that we saw in Ocean City. So the Fisher's Popcorns, the Core Bros. What? Oh my god. Okay, we're going over there.
Wow, look at this.
Boss lady. An empowered woman who kicks ass and takes names. Also, present for my anniversary, Daniel. Take a hit. Okay, literally it's $15 for a fish and chips. Do we do it?
This is expensive, y'all. I'm not gonna eat it. 'Cause
Okay, I probably won't either then.
They might have something else in it.
You don't fish, but fish and chips is different. It's not fish.
And it's in the name.
It's not true though.
Folks at home, does fish and chips have fish in it? Annette would have me believe that
It's
it
not
doesn't.
fish, it's cod.
As I've said multiple times, all these two do is get on the internet and lie.
Fake
They
news,
log
this
on.
channel.
They log on to the
Fake
YouTube.com and they just tell lies all day.
Apollo agrees.
Apollo's the only one who tells the truth. Always.
Oh my gosh, they have look at those prices, y'all. The store that we just went into was like $7,000 for a coffee. Here, $4.
That's my kind of coffee shop. I'm just gonna do a caramel ice latte. And then what do you want, baby?
Can I do an iced mocha?
Yeah.
I get around, woo, I get around. Yeah. Are we gonna be surfing one day? Here, dude.
Man, so we just got our second caffeine bump of the day from the coffee house, and yeah, the drinks are huge. They're like half the price of all the other drinks that are up and down. I don't know why these were so much different in price, but man, are the other ones a rip-off. But now we're gonna smash some coffee and I think head to the beach after. If we don't, we're gonna do more shopping. Today is honestly just a day of doing whatever. And it's great. We love Rehoboth.
Time to keep exploring. Oh my god, who knew that Rehoboth had a boardwalk? Probably the internet, but we didn't do any research before coming, so we're doing the best we can. Also, I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to not only get an iced coffee, but get an iced coffee when it's like 60 degrees outside and I'm wearing shorts. In regards to the water temperature, I feel like the one in Ocean City was way colder, even though this is further north, but it could also be because in Ocean City, I dunked my entire legs in there accidentally, instead of this time just touching it with my fingers. I've loved Delaware. I was so surprised. I didn't have any expectations for what there was in Delaware. To be honest, I wouldn't have even known what to picture if you would have asked me like what Delaware looks like. But it was definitely not what I expected. This is so cute. Did you go to sleep?
Hello, yeah, he was asleep.
Yay! Good job, Dad.
Thank you.
How are we?
We're caffeinated, baby. Let's go. I did hear Nat say she was really craving some Thrasher's fries. She said she wanted like the big 20-ounce bucket.
You want, it was a big 20-ounce bucket, that's what it was.
No, but the soft serve is calling my name. On a real note, I don't know if I like the side of the road because it has better shops or because it's like 10 degrees warmer in the sun. What was that, Daniel?
Said if I'm gonna spend $10 on a meal, I'm gonna get Five Guys.
Okay, so just to reiterate, we've come all the way to Delaware. There's tons of cute local places, and you're eating where?
Get out of my face. Get out of my face.
Five Guys, was it? I mean, I'm not shaming you, but I am putting this on YouTube, so where are you going?
Amped for this burger.
Oh, I am. All that shame only to suck them to the same exact food.
Just eat your half. Don't ruin our meal.
I was trying to...
Babe.
I only put pickles in it. So after a super original and tasty meal at Five Guys, we are going to be leaving Rehoboth and making our way back to Kent Island. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button down below so that you can see the rest of our adventures through America. Also, a humongous thank you to our patrons for always supporting our channel. If you're interested in helping us continue the content creation around the world, make sure you click the link down below to see what benefits you can get from becoming a patron of our channel. And also, if you do want Amazon Music, you can still get it for free for 3 months using our link that is down in the description. On that note, guys, we'll see you on our next adventure. Bye!